A crippling cyber attack that forced a major U.S. energy pipeline offline Friday. Cyber intruders inserted ransomware inside systems of energy giant Colonial Pipeline, making demands for payment.
Hey everyone, Ben here and welcome to Motivation to Invest. Cybersecurity is a major industry and it's growing ever more. It's making headlines each and every day, with government institutions and many businesses being hacked daily. There was even a cybersecurity company which was hacked recently, which was of course extremely ironic. So in this video I'm going to cover my top 2 cybersecurity stocks, and I'm going to do a deep dive into these stocks and reveal to you guys my valuation and buy point for both of these stocks on this list. And full disclosure guys, I do already own one of these stocks in this list. So be sure to stick around to the end of this video guys, and I think you'll like what I've got for you. And before we hop right in, if you do appreciate all the research which has gone into this video, this valuable information which I'm providing you guys completely for free on YouTube, feel free to give this video an early thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the channel. And if you do like these investing tips and exclusive stock market picks, which I'm personally investing into, then go ahead and join the investing family if you haven't already by hitting that subscribe button and turning that notification bell on. Remember guys, if you do want to access in real time exactly which stocks I'm buying, selling, and my entire investment portfolio, and join our thriving VIP membership community, check out the first link in the description below to take your investing game to that next level. And with that being said, let's dive in. So what's so special about the cybersecurity industry? Well, the cybersecurity market size was estimated to be 162.5 billion in 2020 and is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of over 12.5% to 400 billion by 2028. And diving into a little bit more detail, according to a survey by Deloitte, one of the big 4 accounting firms, survey respondents reported an increase in cybersecurity spending, with identity and access management, cyber monitoring operations, and endpoint network security receiving bigger shares of the pie. And guess what, guys? The 2 stocks I'm covering in this video are focused in those key trending areas. So stock number 1 on my list is Crowdstrike, ticker symbol CRWD, and this is on the NASDAQ stock exchange. So this company IPO'd in 2019, and since then it's been on a rampage. So this was a stock that actually, it's IPO'd, everyone said, oh, it's overvalued back in 2019, $72 there. Since then, it's up 239%. Now, I did recommend this stock, not in 2019, but I did recommend it in 2020. And since then, so probably around this point here, my personal position, because this is a stock I personally own in my portfolio at the time of recording this video, my personal position is up around 100%. So fantastic, fantastic returns. You can actually search on the channel. You can see the past video I made exactly when I recommended this stock on this channel. Of course, guys, it's never financial advice whether a stock does well, but it just goes to show there are some exceptional companies out there to make some major gains in the market. Now, the market cap for this company is around $55 billion. What does this company do? Well, Crowdstrike offers the next generation of cybersecurity technology. So the company was founded in 2011 with a whole mission to actually reinvent cybersecurity for the cloud. As we know, cloud computing has become vastly popular and is growing massively across the world. Customers for this company include Amazon Web Services. They also have Virgin Hyperloop. They have the Formula One Mercedes team and many, many more. First thing I love about this company is it's a software company. So SaaS business model. I love these companies because they have recurring revenue. They have high operating leverage, so small number of fixed costs to just build the software, then they can scale easily and actually grow their revenues massively. So what are the competitive advantages of this company? Well, the company has a really unique technology. It has proprietary AI algorithms, artificial intelligence algorithms. So the company has this vast array of customers, and what they do is basically collect all this big data from the customers, from all the different threats which the company has actually dealt with from all these different customers, and they feed all that data into these artificial intelligence algorithms which learn from the data continuously and then actually improve the actual program and the value provided to customers. So it's a real positive feedback loop which actually improves the technology the more data this company collects. So that makes this company also a nice play in artificial intelligence and big data. But in terms of something a little bit more definite, the company also has a series of patents. So they have 65 issued patents and 102 patents pending. And the third major point is the company is also founder-led with skin in the game, which is one of the key traits I look for when investing into any company these days. So the insiders own around 8.5% of the company. The founder owns 7% of the company. The founder was actually a former director at McAfee. So McAfee Antivirus, you've probably heard of those. He actually founded a company in 1999, and then that was acquired by McAfee, which is how he actually ended up there. And then he obviously left that company and started another company. So this guy's extremely experienced in the industry, and I believe he's also a qualified accountant. Now, a key method of analyzing software companies is to look at their net dollar retention rate. So how many of their customers are not just staying with the company, but maybe even spending more. So anything close to 100% is great. It means the customers are extremely sticky. They're staying with the company. In this case, their net dollar retention rate is 125%, which is one of the best I've ever seen. So what's my fair value and buy point for this company? Well, let's hop in to my valuation model. So this is my deep dive valuation model. Remember, guys, if you do want to access all these valuation models, my entire stock research platform, check out that first link in the description below for our Ultimate Investing Strategy course or our VIP membership group, where you can access all my valuations and buy points for over 45 stocks. So hopping in here, I predicted revenue growth 79% for next year, 65% for the next 2 to 5 years. Long story short, guys, my buy point for this company is $211 per share. So at the moment, that's the fair value I've got for this company. And the price it's trading at the moment is around $244. So it's only slightly above its fair value at the moment. I would like a margin of safety also. So I would like to get this company ideally around $180 per share. And interestingly enough, in May 2021, that was the support for the stock. So it hit 180 and then it's been on a 30% increase. My personal position, as I mentioned, is up around 100%. I also had another position in the stock which is up around 60%, which I also told everyone about in the VIP membership group. Okay, stock number 2 on my list is CyberArk Software, ticker symbol CYBR. Hopping into the share price of this company, this is a more established player in the space, founded in 1999. So the stock's been on a rampage over the past few years, up 364%. This is growing a lot slower than Crowdstrike, which I just mentioned. This company's growing around 25% per year, which is still pretty good. Market cap $5.51 billion. So what does CyberArk Software do? Well, this company focuses on identity security, which was one of the main trends Deloitte highlighted. So centered on privileged access management, CyberArk provides the most comprehensive security offering for any identity. So when an IT manager wants to give employees, say, admin access for a certain process, then they can do that with CyberArk Software. Now, an overview of this company, the company has over 6,770 customers, but this is the special thing. Greater than 50% of the Fortune 500 use CyberArk software, greater than 35% of the Global 2000. And this is another company which is founder-led. So what's my valuation and buy point for CyberArk Software? Well, hopping in right here, I predicted around 20% growth rate for this company, so not too crazy. According to this discounted cash flow model, the value per share is $83 and the price is $138. Now, according to this other model here I've checked out, that also says the fair value is around $123 per share, and at the moment it's trading around $138, so it's quite close to its fair value. Ideally, again, we'd like a margin of safety. We want to wait for it to drop below that $123, so maybe $100 or less, and that could be a great buying point for CyberArk Software. Also, remember, guys, if you did appreciate the value in this video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up. That helps out tremendously the channel. If you haven't joined the family yet and you do want to access in real time exactly which stocks I'm buying, selling, my entire portfolio, my stock research platform, and much, much more, check out that first link in the description below for the Ultimate Investing Strategy course to take your investing game to that next level and learn what you cannot be taught in any school or any university around the world. If you do want to access that, first link in the description below. Second link in the description is for our VIP membership group, which is a lot more cost effective. That's like the price of a coffee, but you do get access also to my live buys and sells signals. All the details, description below, guys. Feel free to check that out if you do want to become financially free and step up your investing game. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys all have an incredible day, and I'll see you in my next video. invest safe.